Hi, in this video we will discuss how to compare a given pair of finite decimals. So here I have 89.2 and 89.179. Which one is greater? So we would like to place a greater than sign or an equal sign or a less than sign here. So let's look into that. Right away recall that by definition 89.2 is simply the decimal fraction 892 over 10. Similarly, recall that this finite decimal may be written in this decimal fraction manner. So then, in order to compare this pair of finite decimals, we need to really compare this pair of decimal fractions. And we know how to compare fractions. We first make sure that both fractions have the same denominator. Here we see that's not the case. And so we go one more step further and use FFEF to create the same denominator for both the fractions. So as you can see, if you multiply numerator and denominator by 100, then in fact, this is what we get. Here we have 1000 now in the denominator, and here I will just simply rewrite this. This fraction. So if we can compare these two fractions, then we would have solved the problem. Both these fractions have 1000 in the denominator, and so it simply becomes a matter of comparing the numerators, which are whole numbers, and you know how to do that. So very easily you will see that this is how we place the inequality sign. This fraction is greater than this fraction because they have the same denominator, and this numerator is greater than this numerator. And now we take this logic over here, and since 89.2 is exactly same as this fraction, and this 89.179 is exactly same as this fraction, we may comfortably place this sign here. So to compare finite decimals, this is one approach. You can convert the finite decimals into decimal fractions, and if needed, use FFEF to multiply numerator and denominator of one of the fractions by a power of 10. And then you will have two decimal fractions with the same denominator, and you can simply compare the numerators, which are whole numbers. That is how we can figure out how to compare finite decimals. Thank you.